Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a closed Stripe account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I am on the official Stripe support website. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Okay, so I'm on their page. So first of all, let's find out why your Stripe account is restricted. So if your business does not comply with the Stripe rules and we are unable to support it, means they are unable to support it, you'll be notified via email at the email address registered on your account. The email will state the reason your account was closed. Additionally, your Stripe dashboard will show a red banner at the top with more information, just like this. You'll get this error if your Stripe account was closed in your Stripe dashboard. So yeah, what you can do is just go to support.stripe.com if you think your Stripe account doesn't violate any of the Stripe rules and regulations. So just go to support.stripe.com and tell them to take a review at your account, and if your account actually doesn't violate any of the rules, they will fix your account and they will reopen your Stripe account. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.